Kids who had a horrible childhood. What happened? My dad spent my whole life choosing my half-brother over me. He'd cancel plans last minute, once because my brother had a dentist appointment. Not surgery, not an emergency, just a regular checkup. I was 9, standing by the window, waiting for him to show up, and he never did. He missed my sports games, my school events, and my talent show when I was 15. I spent months teaching myself a song on the guitar, his favorite song. He didn't show up, not because he was busy, but because he didn't feel like it. It wasn't that he was never there. He'd show up for the moments where anyone would call him a jerk if he wasn't. Birthdays, short Christmas visits, the time I had surgery, but those weren't moments he chose to be there for. They were obligations. I stopped expecting him to care. I stopped asking for his time. If he called, I'd answer. If he wanted to meet up, I'd go. But I never reached out first. Last week, he told me he regretted being so absent. He said he'd planned a cross-country trip for us after my graduation, just him and me driving to college together. For the first time, he sounded excited about spending time with me, but all I could think was, why now? Why not before? I told him not to bother. I told him to spend the summer with the son he actually cares about. We argued, and it didn't end well. Then my mom told me he's sick, cancer. He's not going to make it. Now I'm stuck. Part of me wants to just walk away, let him deal with the choices he made, but another part of me feels like if I don't take this trip, if I don't try, I'll regret it. I don't know what to do.